A very pleasant morning to one and all present over here. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear parents. I, Vinita, Science Educator of BLS World School, Greater Noida West, welcomes everyone to this first online science virtual exhibition 2020-2021. To host this exhibition of the school, it gives me an immense pleasure. We all know that during this pandemic, it is not possible for our students to present it with their presence. However, it has been a wonderful opportunity for us as well as our students to showcase their talents through this virtual online exhibition, and of course, with the help of science and technology. In this exhibition, you will get to see some innovative and creative work and projects as well as glimpses of some experiments done by our students. I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Shushma Punia, who has provided this beautiful platform to our students to showcase their talents. So, without any further delay, let's begin.
of working lungs. So, the lungs inhale and exhale from windpipes present in our body, and this is the windpipe and these two are the lungs. And when I pull the balloon, the lungs inhale and exhale air like this.
I'm Shaurya Shukla of class 6. I made an input camera with a box, black chart paper, one butter paper, scissor and candle. Fevicol. I will show you how to test it. Show you how does it looks. If you can see the image, this is how it looks. Then we put a candle. Thank you.
How does our lungs work? Hello everyone, this is Prisha Saraf of class 7 BLS World School. Today I am going to show you my working model of lungs along with the explanation of how we respire. So let's get started. Let's see how we breathe normally. Let's see how we breathe very fast after running a long distance. When we breathe in or inhale, then two things happen at the same time. First, the muscle between the ribs contract, the rib cage to move upwards and outwards. Second, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward. The upward and the downward movement of rib cage as well as the downward movement of diaphragm both increases the space in the chest cavity and make it larger. As the chest cavity becomes larger, air is sucked in from outside into the lungs. The lungs fill up with air and expand. When we breathe out, for example, even then two things happen at the same time. The muscle between the ribs relax, causing the rib cage to move downward and inward. The diaphragm relaxes and moves upward. The downward and the inward movement of rib cage as well as the upward movement of diaphragm both decreases the space in our chest cavity and make it smaller. As the chest cavity becomes smaller, air is pushed out from the lungs. Thank you.
My name is Ashwin and I read in class 6. Today I am going to explain about the ball and socket joint I made. So the ball and socket joint is normally present in your shoulder right here, and when you rotate your arm like this, the ball rotates in the socket and the bone attached to the ball rotates with it. And the socket helps the ball to move freely, but it also stops it to go everywhere. If the socket wasn't there, the ball would go everywhere and you wouldn't be able to control your shoulder. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Aryan once again from BLS World School Class 7. I am back with a new topic and new experiment. Reaction between lime water and carbon dioxide. For this experiment, water, limestone, 2 bowls and a paper straw. Avoid plastic for healthy environment. So let's begin.
First we will take 2 empty bowls and a glass water. Now we will put some water in both the bowls. Now we will mix the limestone in first bowl. Now we will blow the air in water through a paper straw. And we know that we release carbon dioxide from the mouth. After blow the air,
we can see there is no change in color of water. Now we will change the bowl and blow in the first bowl. We can see that the water colors turn into the white. It is changed because of carbon dioxide. Now you can do this experiment at home. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. We are Adam and Arnab of class 6. Today we are going to present our model on spinal cord. Spinal cord is present in our backbone. It starts in end of the brain and continues till bottom of the spine. It has total 33 vertebrae and it controls reflex actions.
Start.
It controls voluntary and involuntary actions. It protects nerves which convey message from body parts to the brain and convey instruction from brain to the body parts. Spinal cord has memory for pain. Any damage caused to spinal cord can cause paralysis. Thank you everybody.
Hello everyone, my name is Farooq Arya from class 7 BLS World School. Today I am going to present a 3D model of photosynthesis. Before that, let's talk about what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. The word photosynthesis can be separated to make two smaller words. Photo, which means light, synthesis, which means putting together. To make food, plants need not just one but all of the following: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. Carbon dioxide from the air passes through leaves from small holes. These holes are called stomata. Water is absorbed by the roots and passes through vessels in the stem on its way to the leaves. Sunlight is absorbed in the leaves from a green chemical. The photosynthesis process takes place in the leaves of plants. The leaves are made up of very small cells. Inside these cells are tiny structures called chlorophyll. Each chloroplast contains a green chemical called chlorophyll, which gives leaves their green color. Chlorophyll absorbs the sun's energy. It is the energy that is used to separate water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is released from the leaves into atmosphere. Hydrogen and carbon dioxide are used to form glucose or food of plants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Aryan from BLS World School, class 7th. Today I will explain you the layers of soil. This model was given by Vedita ma'am, our science class teacher.
Topsoil, the first layer. It is rich in humus and minerals. It's soft, porous and can retain moisture. It provides shelter to many living organisms. It is also known as E-horizon. Subsoil, the second layer. It is the middle layer, less humus. It is harder and more compact. It is also known as B-horizon. Parent material, the third layer. It is mostly made of small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. It is known as C-horizon. Bedrock. It is the hardest layer and hence it's difficult to dig with a spade. It's also known as G-horizon.
Ma'am, my name is Ashwin, and ma'am, today I made a fan with a motor
and a battery. So this is my fan. I will show you. This is my fan. I got 2 matchboxes and cut one of these things out. And then inside the first box, this one, there's a battery. And then this one, there's a motor. And I cut a wooden spoon, made a hole in it and connected it to my motor. And this fan works. I will show you how. So this, at the back I made a switch, and then this is the wire which is going to connect to the safety pin, and then it's going to work like this. Look now. So this is my fan and I made it today, and this wire connects to this safety pin and then this works. So here are my wires that are connected, and some are behind this, so the fan works like this.
Hello everyone, this is Aryan Chaudhary from BLS World School, Greater Noida. Today I am going to show you transpiration in plants through a video. Let's start the video now. I am going to show you the transpiration in plants. For that, I have taken transparent polybag. Now I am going to wrap the polybag in the branch. Now you can see that I have wrapped the polybag in the branch. I will take out this polybag from this branch. Now you can see that there are some water droplets in the polybag. This shows that transpiration in plants occurs every day.
Today we are presenting our science project on electric circuit. For this we needed a battery, wire, bulb and a switch. The battery has 2 terminals, positive terminal and 1 negative terminal. This red wire is connected to positive terminal of the battery, and the other end is connected to the 1 terminal of switch, and the another red wire is connected to 1 terminal of the switch and positive terminal of the bulb. This black wire is connected to negative terminal of the battery, and the other end of the black wire is connected to negative terminal of the bulb. When the switch is on off position, the circuit is open. so electricity will not pass and the light will not glow. And when we on the switch, the circuit is closed and it will glow.
Hello, my name is Ashwin. Today I am going to show you the homemade electronic circuit I made. So basically, this is the battery and these are the connecting wires. This is the switch and these are the LEDs. So when I turn on this switch, the light glows and the circuit completes. So the battery produces electricity inside it, and the electricity goes through the wires and the circuit completes. See how it works.
Good evening everyone. So today I'm going to do an experiment of baking soda and vinegar. For that I have vinegar or acetic acid. I have baking soda, and a plate. Now I will keep the bowl on the plate and pour some vinegar in it, or we can say acetic acid. Now I've poured some vinegar in it. Now I have the baking soda, and now I will pour put all of them into the vinegar. So here you can see that some sizzling sound is coming. Actually, when I was doing this, the carbon dioxide gas was producing.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and of course our most valued invited parents. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of Science Virtual Exhibition 2020. Everything that has a beginning comes to an end. So our science exhibition has also come to an end. However, it is an opportunity for all our lovely kids to showcase their talent through this virtual science exhibition for upcoming years with full enthusiasm. I would like to take a moment to thank our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Sushma Punia, for being a visionary and for leading the student with her everlasting motivating words. And of course, a very big thanks to all my lovely kids and to all our esteemed guests, that is the parents of my students who encouraged and motivated their wards to participate in this science exhibition. In nutshell, on behalf of BLS World School, I would like to thank each one of you who has graced this exhibition with their presence. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.